The number one thing that has helped us through the pandemic is our core values. We know it's not over yet. In fact, the fight against the virus has only just started and we have a lot of work to do. Now more than ever, we need to remain strong so that we can rebuild together and help each other. So how did the core values help us through the pandemic? First, I'll explain each of our 5 core values, how we use them, and how you can use them during these times. Number 1, be genuine. At Avatar, we are constantly nurturing a culture that encourages employees to be genuine and honest. This allows us to build a trusting community that helps each other to achieve our mission. We used Be Genuine to be honest with ourselves. We knew that as the cleaning company we needed to help out. So we chose to stand up and lead. We made a plan and figured out how we can help our clients and keep our employees safe. Take the time to be honest with yourselves and reflect. How can you help your customers? Do you need to take a step back, or do you need to step up as a leader and help out? Number 2, add value. In doing the right thing when no one is looking is to deliver quality and maintain high standards that adds value and exceeds expectations. We used add value to curate our social media consumption and made sure that sources were reliable and trustworthy. Fake news or negative news will not serve you or your business. Be selective with what you read and make sure it adds value to your life. Number 3, have a yes I can attitude. In life and at work, there are always challenges to overcome. At Avatar, we always practice a yes I can positive attitude. We use yes I can to remind ourselves that we can. Times are difficult and saying I can't do this or I can't do that because of Corona does not help. One of my favorite quotes from Henry Ford is, "If you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Think about it for a moment. Those who believe they can help out will find a way. Those who don't will not even try. Number 4, enjoy yourself. Studies have shown that we do a better job and we're more productive when we're having fun. At Avatar, we want our employees to enjoy themselves in everything that we do. This core value is important because it affects all the other core values. Living out our core values can be fun, just like it is not fun when we violate them. It is not fun not to be honest or genuine. It is not fun not to deliver quality work. It is not fun to choose not to help out. You get the idea. We used enjoy yourselves to focus on what we can control rather than what we can't control, like the pandemic. It is not fun to stress about things you can do nothing about. Make sure that you put all your effort and focus on things that you can control. Number 5, keep growing. Training is the key to delivering a consistent, reliable service. At Avatar, we want to give back to our employees by helping them to learn and grow and equip them with new skills that they can use further in their careers. We used Keep Growing to appreciate what we have and use the time to read or learn a new skill. Use this time productively and it will serve you when this is all over. These core values allow us to build a values-driven culture that serves our clients and our employees alike. They are what we look for as part of our hiring process, and they are our guide in our decision-making process. For more information, visit our website on www.avatarservices.co.uk.